In this video, let me show you how to fix the Life360 battery optimization error on your Android device. So if you come across this error, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is you need to grant the app the unrestricted background users. So what I mean by that is what you can simply do is tap and hold the app of Life360 and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to the battery settings and make sure that this option is selected to unrestricted. Even if you have selected to optimize or restricted, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So once you select the unrestricted option, this should fix your issue. Now apart from this, what you'll also need to ensure that you do not turn on the battery saver or the power saving mode inside of your device. If you have enabled that, make sure you disable it, as well as ensure that the location option is enabled, or the Life360 application will have the full access. So make sure that you simply toggle this option on. Once you do these few steps, you'll be able to fix the Life360 battery optimization error on your Android device. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.